mixture that you've frozen overnight or for several hours till it's 40 degrees. And you pour it into, what is that thing?
Ice cream freezer.
It's actually an ice cream freezer. And it's got a little special gadget on it. Called the
Special gadget. The ice cream freezer is the gadget.
Okay.
And it has a dasher that turns
Dasher.
around.
It's like a little square plastic thing. Goes around. And this thing goes on for how long?
For 45 minutes.
45 minutes. So does that actually aerate it then?
No, it freezes it.
You mean it's cold?
This is ice cold.
Oh.
Just took it out of the freezer.
Oh yeah. So that. Oh, so it's kept in the freezer all the time. So that's kept cold.
See where the level is on that different now? Watch and see what happens there.
So it's going to expand.
Right.
How cool is that?